Discover PraxiLabs virtual physiology simulations. Empower your students with hands-on physiology experiments analyzing human physiology, research techniques, and more. Teach your students the qualitative detection of salivary amylase in saliva, and its response to temperature and pH in our amylase test simulation. Investigate our red blood cell count simulation to learn their clinical implications and the modern technologies used. All the features you need in one platform. Our platform offers game-like simulations, adapts to different learning styles, and easily integrates with your LMS. Get instant performance feedback and access easy walkthrough videos. We're here for you 24/7 with dedicated customer support. Revolutionize physiology education with PraxiLabs interactive and cost-effective virtual labs. Feel the full power of virtual physiology experiments with PraxiLabs. Schedule a demo today to elevate your institution's learning experience, save on lab costs, and empower students with hands-on physiology exploration.